Hi, welcome back to the Food Travel Shopping channel, and you're watching Cook Like the Yeungs. Today I'm gonna make the wild rice with butternut squash, pecans, and apricots. If you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching this video, and let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients to make our wild rice stuffing with butternut squash, pecan, and apricots. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer over my rice into my cocotte. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rice a little bit and rinse it once. Okay, now we're gonna put the 2.5 cups of water in, and we're gonna go ahead and cook the rice first. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the rice here a little bit. Alright, so try to just get as much water out, okay? Having a little bit water in there is fine. Alright, so now we're gonna bring it back. Alright, so we want to turn on the heat here, and once it boils, we're gonna lower our heat, but we're gonna cook it in a total of 45 minutes. Okay, I'm using my 22 centimeter cocotte here, and we're going to toast our pecan nuts first. Alright, so in the medium-high heat here, we're gonna stir this along the way for about 2 minutes. Alright, so after toasting it for about 2 minutes, we're gonna put it back into our small bowl. Okay, using the same cocotte, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil in the cocotte. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic in. Okay, we're gonna saute our butternut squash here. Okay, go ahead and add some black pepper here. So now just go ahead and add a dash of water here. So about 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, go ahead and add a little bit of salt here. Season it to your own taste. Just gonna add a little bit more black pepper here. Okay, so we're gonna add our thyme into this butternut squash here, and go ahead and use a medium-low heat to cook our butternut squash. Okay, so as you can see, the butternut squash started to be a little bit more tender here. Okay, this is where we're gonna add in our apricot. And we're gonna continue to cook this for another 2 minutes. Alright, so this is where after another 3 minutes or so of cooking, we're gonna turn off the heat, and I'm just gonna close the lid here, and we're just gonna wait for the rice, and we're gonna incorporate it with the rice here. Okay, so let me show you. The wild rice is completed. Very nice here. Now move the wild rice into the butternut squash and apricots. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer this over. Alright, so go ahead and we're gonna mix our apricots and butternut squash with the wild rice. Alright, so finally, after mixing everything in, we're gonna sprinkle our pecans, and we're going to continue to mix that in. And finally, to serve, I am going to transfer the rice back into my smaller cocotte. Okay, so let me show you the final result of my wild rice with butternut squash, pecans, and apricots. I hope you enjoyed this recipe of the wild rice with butternut squash, pecans, and apricot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cook like the Youngs.